हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्कूल होमवर्क हेल्पर। तो आज हम लोग करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 7 की साइंस वर्कबुक का सेमेस्टर 2 एनसीईआरटी चैप्टर नंबर 10 रेस्पिरेशन इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एमसीक्यूज। 1 नंबर, विच of the following living organisms perform only anaerobic respirations? A. Human being, B. Frog, C. Yeast, D. Cockroach. So answer is C. Yeast. In cellular respiration, breakdown of which substance in presence of oxygen produces carbon dioxide, water and energy? So option is A. Starch, B. Glucose, C. Lactic acid, D. Alcohol. So answer is B. Glucose. How is extra energy obtained during heavy exercise? A. By aerobic respiration. B. By anaerobic respiration in muscles. C. By decomposition of fat. D. By producing amino acid. So our answer is B. By anaerobic respiration in muscles. 4 number. What are the substances produced during anaerobic respiration? A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide, water and energy. C. Alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. D. Lactic acid and energy. So answer is B. Carbon dioxide, water and energy. Number 5. Through which of the following does an earthworm respire? A. Moist skin. B. Spiracles. C. Trach. D. Lungs. So answer is A. Moist skin. Number 6. Through which of the following does fish respire? A. Spiracles. B. Trach. C. Skin. D. Gills. So answer is gills. Number 7. Which gas do the plant use for respiration? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. So answer is A. Oxygen. 8 number. By what does frog respire? Option is A. Gills. B. Spiracles and trachea. C. Spiracles and lungs. D. Skin and lungs. So our answer is D. Skin and lungs. 9 number. In cockroach, air enter its body through dash. A. Lungs. B. Gills. C. Spiracles. D. Skin. So answer is C. Spiracles. Number 10. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the leg due to the accumulation of dash. A. Carbon dioxide. B. Lactic acid. C. Alcohol. D. Water. So answer is B. Lactic acid. Number 11. What is the breathing rate per minute of an adult person at rest? A. 9 to 12. B. 15 to 18. C. 21 to 24. D. 30 to 33. Answer is B. 15 to 18. Number 12. During exhalation, the ribs dash. A. Move upward. B. Move downward. C. Move outward. D. Do not move at all. So answer is B. Move downward. Question number 2. Fill-ups. Number 1. We exhale dash gas during exhalation. So carbon dioxide. Number 2. Carbon dioxide content is dash percent of the atmosphere air. Answer is 0.04%. Number 3. A large muscular sheet called dash form the floor of the chest cavity. So answer is diaphragm. Question number 3. Answer in one word. Number 1. What is the structural and functional unit of an organism? So answer is cell. Number 2. Which substance along with energy are produced by decomposition of glucose using oxygen in cellular respiration? Answer is carbon dioxide, water. Number 3. Give name of an organism that can survive in absence of oxygen. Answer is yeast. Number 4. Which substance does yeast produce by decomposition of glucose in the absence of oxygen? Answer is alcohol, Carbon dioxide. Number 5. Which substance is produced during anaerobic respiration occurring in muscles? Answer is lactic acid. Question number 4. True or false? Number 1. Anaerobic respiration occur in the presence of oxygen. Wrong. Number 2. No energy is required while we are sleeping. Wrong. Number 3. Organisms like yeast can survive in the absence of air, oxygen. Right. Number 4. Lactic acid is produced during anaerobic respiration in animal muscle cells. Right. Number 5. Alcohol is produced during anaerobic respiration in plant cell. Right. Number 6. The diaphragm move upward during inhalation. Wrong. Number 7. Lizard respires through spiracles. Wrong. 8 number. The breathing rate of a person decreases during heavy exercise. Wrong. Number 10. Frog breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. Right. 11. Whale have lungs for respiration. Wrong. The size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. Right. Question number 5. Answer in one sentence. What is called cellular respiration? Answer. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Number 2. What is called aerobic respiration? Answer. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Number 3. What is called anaerobic respiration? Answer. When breakdown of glucose occurs without using oxygen, it is called anaerobic respiration. Number 4. State the chemical equation of aerobic respiration in words. Answer. Glucose in presence of upon oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Number 5. In which cell does the anaerobic respiration occurs? Answer. Anaerobic respiration occurs in yeast and some fungi, certain bacteria, endoparasites, and in animal muscle in certain conditions. Number 6. What are formed when breakdown of glucose in anaerobic respiration occur in plants like yeast? Answer. Alcohol and carbon dioxide are formed when breakdown of glucose in anaerobic respirations occurring in plant like yeast and energy released. Number 7. What are formed when breakdown of glucose in anaerobic respiration occurs in animal muscle cell? Answer is lactic acid is formed when breakdown of glucose in anaerobic respiration occurring in animal muscle cells and release of energy. Number 8. What is called diaphragm? Diaphragm is large muscular sheet which forms the floor of the chest cavity. Number 9. State the change in the position of ribs and diaphragm during inhalation. During inhalation, ribs move upward, up and outward, and diaphragm moves down. Number 10. State the change of the position of ribs and diaphragm during exhalation. During exhalation, ribs move down and inward, while diaphragm moves up to its former position. Number 11. Which of the measurement of chest size is more, whether during inhalation or during exhalation? During inhalation, the size of chest cavity is more. Number 12. State the percentage of carbon dioxide in inhaled air and exhaled air. Answer. The presence of carbon dioxide inhaled and exhaled air is 0.04 and 4.4 respectively. Question number 6. Answer the following question in short. Number 1. Explain cellular respiration. Answer. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. In the cells, the food, glucose, is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. Number 2. Why do we get muscle cramps after heavy exercise? How do we get relief from cramps? During heavy exercise, anaerobic respirations take place in muscle. The cramps occur when muscle cells respire anaerobically. The particle breakdown of glucose produce lactic acid. The accumulation of lactic acid causes muscle cramps. We get relief from cramps after a hot water bath or a massage. Hot water bath or massage improves circulation of blood. As a result, the supply of oxygen to the muscle cells increases. The increase in the supply of oxygen results in the complete breakdown of lactic acid into carbon dioxide and water. We get relief from cramp during to the removal of lactic acid from muscles. Number 3. Explain breathing in earthworm. Answer. Earthworm breathe through their skin. The skin of an earthworm is moist and slimy. Oxygen can easily diffuse in the blood and carbon dioxide is given out through moist surface of skin. Thus, gaseous exchange occurs in an earthworm. Number 4. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? Answer. When the athlete runs in the race, his body needs more energy. In order to get extra energy, the athlete breathes faster because more oxygen is supplied to our cell. It speeds up the breakdown of food and more energy is released. Question number 5. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? Answer. We dust particles enter our nostril. It triggers a message to the brain. The brain instructs the nasal chambers to initiate sneezing. This is a method to remove the unwanted dust particles from the nostril. Sneezing is a type of defense mechanism used by our body. Question number 7. Explain giving scientific reason. Fish is found in vain struggle when taken out of water. Answer. Number 1. Gills is a respiratory organ of a fish. Number 2. Fish is an aquatic animal and it uses dissolved oxygen for respiration. Number 3. Gills is well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases while water passes through it. Number 4. So fish is able to exchange respiratory gases in water through gills only. It cannot use oxygen of atmosphere. Due to this, Fish is found in vein struggle when taken out of water. Question number 8. Write 2 points of different. Anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. Number 1. It occurs in the presence of oxygen. Number 2. Complete combustion take place in it. Anaerobic respiration. Number 1. It occurs in the absence of oxygen. Number 2. Incomplete combustion of glucose take place in it. Question number 9. Match the following properly. Number 1. Yeast. So answer is alcohol. Number 2. Diaphragm. So answer is D. Chest cavity. Number 3. Skins. So answer is A. Earthworm. Number 4. Leaves. So answer is E. Stomata. Number 5. Fish. So answer is B. Gills. Number 6. Frog. So answer is F. Lungs and skin. Question number 10. Answer the following question in detail. Number 1. Explain 2 types of respiration with example. Answer. Respiration means cellular respiration. There are 2 types of respiration. 1. Aerobic respiration. 2. Anaerobic respiration. Number 1. Aerobic respiration. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Majority of organisms respire aerobically due to complete combustion of glucose. More energy are released in aerobic respiration. Glucose in presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Number 2. Anaerobic respiration. When breakdown of glucose occurs in the absence of oxygen, it is called anaerobic respiration. Yeast, fungi and certain bacteria respires anaerobically. Anaerobic respiration occur in animal muscles as incomplete combustion occur in it. The energy released is less. Glucose in absence of oxygen, alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Glucose in muscle. Insufficient of oxygen, lactic acid plus energy. Number 2. Explain respiration process occurring in fish. Answer. Fish is an aquatic animal. Gills in fish help them to use oxygen dissolved in water. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases. Thank you. Our chapter is over.